Canadian eyes have been on the pool watching the glorious swimming performances from Penny Oleksiak and her teammates, but I can guarantee you no Canadian eyes have been trained more closely on the action than those of Dave Shufelt. Who is Dave Shufelt? He is the only Canadian official at the swimming events in these Olympic Games, and he's my guest this morning. Good to see you from Paris, Ontario, here to Rio. Hi, Dave.
Good morning, Heather.
What did you do last night, Dave?
Well, Heather, I was on at the pool, lane 4, turn end, and I watched some amazing racing.
Who was in lane 4?
Well,
someone we may know a little bit?
Well, Penny, unfortunately, was in lane 5.
Okay, she was there.
Swimming, but I had Michael Phelps in lane 4 for his 200 individual medley gold medal win. It was amazing.
Isn't that incredible? So you were right there watching. I'll get to exactly what you do, but you have witnessed overall an incredible week in the pool, haven't you?
I have. It's amazing swimming from just not the Americans, Canadians, but all over the world. Some amazing swimming, fantastic athletes to see up close in the pool. What
exactly do you do when you officiate at the end, at the turn, for the swimmers?
Well, Heather, I'm a FINA referee.
Right.
So at the Olympics, I'm acting as a technical official. So for turns, we're judging the technical aspect of the turns, the touches, the push-offs, to ensure a fair play of field.
So what could they do wrong that would be, an infraction?
Well, in the butterfly, which Michael Phelps swims, a one-hand touch or a non-simultaneous touch.
Okay, it has to be two hands at the same time.
All right. Something that would give them a slight advantage, and as we know at this level, 1/100th of a second is a lot. So if you can gain, that's what they would try to take advantage of.
So you're watching to make sure they turn properly. Have you had anybody who hasn't
no, for
so far?
Myself, no, not at this games. In the past I have, but not here yet.
How did you ever get into this?
I started out 27 years ago, a volunteer. My kids were swimming with the local club, and I am not one to sit around. So I said, what can I do? And got involved with officiating, and now here I am 27 years later at the Olympic Games.
Isn't that an extraordinary journey for you? Because it's like anything. You train and you train and you learn more, and you go up the ladder in terms of your qualifications.
That's right.
To prepare, though, for the Olympics, the pinnacle, what do you have to do to ensure that you're ready to go? You're at the top of your game as an official.
Well, I think for the most part, as you said, it's just practice, experience, work the pool decks. As we move up through Canadian officiating, you get to go to national events, work national events, trials, and you get to experience better swimmers, and as they get better, you get better, and it's you're ready when you get here.
And do you feel the pressure more to get that call just right because you are at the Olympic level?
There is a lot of pressure to stand there and make a call if you need to. But you know what? If that's what needs to be done, then that's what we'll do.
There's no technological backup for you, is it? It's just those eyes. I'm checking them out.
That's right.
The glasses are very clear, and you're ready to go.
That's
it's just your eyes.
That's right. All the judging is done by deck people, by judges. There's no video to make a call. So that's what we're there for, and that's what we do. We have individual lanes, as I was last night in lane 4, and that was my responsibility only.
I know you're a judge and official. You're obviously impartial. You're looking for the technique. But inside, quietly, when only Canadians are watching us, you're kind of hoping for a good Canadian swim?
Well, you do. Don't tell anybody, but when last night on the deck for Penny's swim, I was in lane 4, and you're kind of watching out of the corner of your eye as she swims up and down the pool. Of course, first responsibility is my own lane, and I had the world champion at that time.
Pretty nice.
And it was pretty exciting, but we do watch closely.
When you were swimming as a young boy, I don't know if you had an Olympic dream. Did you? To be as a swimmer?
Well, as a swimmer, I guess we all have those dreams, but I certainly wasn't ever didn't make that level of
as a competitor. But
yeah.
Look at where the Olympic journey has taken you here.
That's right. It's gone a different way for me. Swimming, it didn't happen, but now, by chance, really by chance, I've made the Olympics in another way.
Well, enjoy the races yet to come. She may be not done yet. Canadians may not be done yet.
That's right.
Another Canadian doing the country proud in the pool. Dave Shufelt, what a pleasure to have you in today. Thanks very much.
Thank you, Heather. It's great to be here.